Hi there, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to bring your attention back to some of the oil and gas stocks. It seems like energy has caught a bid recently, and myself and Dan Fitzpatrick from StockMarketMentor.com, we're talking about XOP. Now, XOP closed above the 200-day moving average for the first time since back in March. It chopped around here as there was a bit of rotation out of oil and gas and into some high-flying tech leaders. And now, with the breakdown of the Qs and some negative reactions to earnings, thanks to Tesla and Netflix, etc., we're seeing a bit of a rotation out of tech and potentially into oil and gas again. And so what I like from XOP is the fact that this is above and closed above that 200-day moving average. And you can see there's been some fits and starts. Like, it hasn't been a smooth ride. It tried, the sellers came in, pushed it back down. Sellers came in, pushed it back down. Tried again. And then today, finally, back above and held above that 200-day moving average. So I think from a short-term trade perspective, I think you can keep this on a watch list, and as long as it stays above that 200-day moving average, I think it's something that you could potentially get involved with. So that's just one of many things we're watching right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope it's helpful, and if it is, be sure and take a trial. 14 days, only $7. Click the link. I hope to see you on the other side. We'll see you next time.